Hello my people, welcome back to this channel, Eka Cinema TV. I am so excited today. Today we are back to Eka land, we are back to Agbor. Today we have an interesting video for you today. You can see the biggest restaurants in Eka land. These restaurants we are right now is the biggest in Eka land. Very beautiful. Anything you are looking for is here. This is the most happening place in Eka land where people come and have fun with their family. If you come to this place on Sunday, you will not even see space to park your car. But nevertheless, this place, they have enough space to park your car. Yes. Now you see we have already entered inside. This is the inside. You know how you see how it looks. You can see how beautiful the place is. This is New Mandarin, formerly known as New Mandarin, but now they have changed their name. Yes. This is the most beautiful eatery in the Caribbean. So you see how good, how furnished this place is. All kinds of food you want to eat, they sell it here. Now this is their cake stand. You can see all kinds of cake. The one you can use to celebrate your birthday, they are all here, you can see. And the most beautiful thing here is their prices are here. As you are watching through, you can actually see their prices. You can actually see the price of the cake. Okay, now this is their soup. You can see their soup, all kinds of soup. Like today I came in the afternoon, so they've already sold most of their food. You can see some plates are empty already. You can see they have already started selling off their food. If you come in the morning home, you will see all kinds of food you want to eat is always here. If you are such a person that is saying that there's no good eatery in Agbor where you can enjoy yourself, maybe when you come back from abroad, you come from outside Nigeria, outside Agbor, and you are thinking that Agbor is still a village, you are saying that you are just missing something. Anytime you come around, just enter this place. Lest I forget, this place is called Rain Restaurants. It's called Rain Restaurants. This place is formerly called New Mandarin, but now they have already changed the name to Rain Restaurants. Yes, so that is how it is. This is the most beautiful place. You can see people always come. People always come. Then you have your fancy tables and chairs that you can sit with your family members. Okay, this place now is shawarma and pizza stand. This particular place, where you can order your pizza and your shawarma. Now this place is children playground, where children can play. Okay, right now I'm taking you to game area where you can see all kinds of games. And before you go to the game stand, you have to climb the upstairs. You have to climb up, you go to the upstairs. So that is where we are going to now. Now you have to follow me. Let's go up so you go and see for yourself. Most people usually come to Rain Restaurant. They don't know that they have game stand here. All kinds of games you want to play is here. This place is called their game house. Now you see, if you want to drive motorcycle, it's there. You want to drive car, it's there. All kinds of games you want to play, it's always here. You see, people already playing their choice of games. Actually, I think if you want to play any game here, I think the price is 1,000 naira. So when you pay 1,000 naira, you will play any game of your choice. So that is how it is. Now just enjoy yourself. We are in Rain Restaurants, Agbor, the most beautiful restaurants in Agbor. Don't look down on Agbor. If you are coming from abroad, when you come, just come here and relax. Don't tell yourself that nothing is happening in Agbor, let me stay in Lagos. No, 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 no. Guy, you are missing something. Just come to a car land and relax, because they have so many places where you can enjoy yourself. Like this Rain restaurant is one of them. We have others, but I'm just using this one as an example to show you that we still have other beautiful, beautiful ones. Thank you. Okay, once again, I can say thank you for watching this video, and God bless you. If you are entering here for the first time, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share our video, like our video, and God bless you.